We tone that.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3:15 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Williams Bay, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
New day 1 hour.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, East Troy, Wind Lake, Rochester, Como, Waterford North, Otter Lake, Browns Lake, Burlington, Waterford, Springfield, Love Range, Honey Creek, Abels Corners, Tibbetts, Millard, Troy Center, and...
What the heck? They just cut it off.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3:30 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Boners Lake, or 8 miles east of Lake Geneva, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail.
Oh,
Source,
marine warning.
radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Antioch, Lake Geneva, Sturtevant, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Franklin, Twin Lakes, Raymond, Wheatland, Yorkville, Genoa City, Silver Lake, Wind Point, Channel Lake, Lake Catherine, and Powers Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.
Doubleheader, I bet. Yep. Actually, technically it's triple header now.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 4:15 p.m. At 2:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles west of Valparaiso to 7 nautical miles south of Cary, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near Marina Shores at Dune Harbor around 2:55 p.m. Burns Harbor around 3 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Indiana and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. The severe thunderstorm warning.
KXI 41's being weird.